Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ultimate Football on Roblox step by step. Join a match lobby and pick a role, then learn basic controls like sprint, tackle, pass, and shoot immediately. Practice movement and stamina management in warm-up games. Focus on teamwork and positioning to create scoring chances. Use quick passes to break defenses and communicate with teammates using chat or pings to organize attacks. Learn core controls and movement to play better on the pitch. Start by practicing sprinting, directional dribbling, and time tackles in low-pressure matches. Master passing types like short, long, and through passes for varied attacks. Use sprint wisely to conserve stamina during runs and recover faster. Watch teammates' movement to time passes and learn set-piece routines. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more helpful tutorials. On another note, the bottle seen here is Droplet the Oala water bottle, perfect for staying hydrated between matches and long plays. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Enjoy the game. Thanks for supporting the channel, it helps produce more content, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on teamwork and simple tactics to win more games. Play assigned roles and avoid chasing the ball out of position. Use short passes to maintain possession and create space for attacks. Set defensive lines and mark dangerous opponents during transitions. Practice set plays like corner and free kick routines with teammates to increase scoring chances and reduce chaotic moments in matches. Communicate constantly using quick pings or short chat messages to coordinate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.